Hi, my name is Dennis and welcome to this video. This is part 1 of my Ducati Desert X build series. In the previous video I told you about my first impressions of the bike, link in the top of this corner, and this video is about installing the decal set on my Ducati Desert X. So let's dive in. Okay, tonight we're going to install a decal set on my Ducati Desert X. This is just step 1 in the build series of the Ducati Desert X. We're going to customize it, we're going to apply some stickers, we're going to apply some protection, some luggage options and that sort of stuff. In this video I will talk about why I chose the sticker set, some tips and tricks, and then we're going to show you how we installed it, and afterwards I will give you my final thoughts. I chose the sticker set of Dabrabbit, and that's because my previous bike also had a sticker set from Dabrabbit, the BMW R1200 GSA. There's a video in the top of the corner, and we were really happy with the sticker set. The quality was great, the fit and finish was great, the fitment was great, and also applying was really good. I'm not going to apply it myself because I don't have the patience for it. I highly recommend that if you're going to do this, make sure that you have enough patience, that the bike is really clean. If you're not capable of installing a sticker set like this, get some help from a professional or someone who has done it before. I don't have the patience for it. So I will go to Rick from Jack's Racing Garage and he will help me with applying the sticker set. He's done about 30 sticker sets or so, and he also done the BMW. Okay, a really good tip, make sure the bike is clean. Make sure the bike is degreased, no wax, and make sure you have the right tools for it. So have a heat gun, have a hair dryer or something like that, but the heat gun is even better because you will notice spots on the bike, even if it's almost brand new, has too much grease, and that's why the sticker set will not stick really good on the bike. So the number one reason why I chose this sticker set is looks. The Ducati Desert X really gives a really good blank canvas to apply your own looks to it, apply your own taste to it and make it your own. That's why I chose the white Ducati Desert X and not the black one. I really like the black one, but that one, yeah, it's not a blank canvas like the white one. And the reason why I chose Dabrabbit is that I can customize the sticker set a bit. So we customized it a bit. I chose some other colors and we made the Ducati logo a little bit bigger. I chose this as the first step on purpose because afterwards we're going to install a lot of protection parts, and if you're going to install a sticker set, it's much easier to reach everything when it's not on the bike. So for example, if you install crash bars, it makes it a bit harder to install the sticker set. So that's why I chose it first. The second reason why I chose the sticker set is because the protection. I'm going to ride a lot off-road, and it might happen that you get scratches from branches, from boots, from keys, anything like that. I know the bike is made for it, but still afterwards I want to have a clean bike when I'm eventually going to sell it or something like that. So the sticker set will provide some more protection on top of the crash bars. And because the bike is white, if you get scratches, a lot of dirt will fill in the scratches and you will see the scratches really easily when the bike gets a little bit dirty. And I know it makes a really tough look on the bike, but still I prefer my bikes clean. So the bike is now prepared and we're going to install it tonight, so let's do it. Welcome back. Yeah, we're finished. I think it looks good. The fit and finish was as expected. We did make some minor adjustments. If I should grade the fit and finish, I think it's a 9 out of 10. And we removed sort of the glosses on the bike because I didn't like that. It distracted a bit of the look, and we had some stickers extra that we didn't use, but still, yeah, really great sticker set. The material is as tough as the previous one. Also a thing that Rick noticed from Jack's Racing Garage, that is the sticker set has really tiny holes in it. You can't see them, but that makes the sticker set more breathable. And because it's more breathable, getting bubbles in it is pretty hard. And if you get them, you can easily remove them with a heat gun and some pressure. So that's perfect. He was really happy with the quality, so if he's happy, I'm also happy, because yeah, I'm dependable on him installing my sticker set. So I was there mostly for mental support and some cleaning of the bike and that sort of stuff, and giving him a hand. I did remove some stickers, but I didn't apply anything. Only the KYB stickers, and those are not supplied with the stickers. I bought them from the internet. Yeah, I'm happy. I'm really happy with the result. I think the bike is more unique right now. It's protected, so that's the thing that I want. Yeah, and if you like this video, please give a like. In the next video, we will install the Hepco and backup parts, so protection and luggage. So if you want to see that, please subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye. Okay, and if you're planning to buy a sticker set like this, go to Dabrabbit.com, use my code DRONEMOTOR for a discount of, I think, 10 or 50%, depending on the country where you live in. Good luck with applying the sticker set.